Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're diving into the process of changing the trigger on your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. This repair can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you'll have your vacuum up and running in no time. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You'll need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Having these on hand will make the process smoother. Begin by ensuring the vacuum is turned off and unplugged. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws that hold the trigger in place. There are typically 2 screws on the body of the vacuum. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the trigger away from the body of the vacuum. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it loose if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components during this step. Now, with the trigger removed, take a moment to clean the area inside the vacuum. Dust and debris can accumulate, affecting performance. A soft brush or cloth works well for this cleaning. Remember, if you're not comfortable doing this yourself, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. After cleaning, take your new trigger and align it with the mounting points inside the vacuum. Ensure that it fits snugly into place. If you don't have the tools required for this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Next, replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them gently but firmly. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the plastic housing. After securing the trigger, test it manually to ensure it moves freely and engages properly. If everything feels right, it's time to plug your vacuum back in and perform a test run. This step ensures that the trigger operates smoothly and that your vacuum is functioning as it should. If you encounter any issues during the test, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. In summary, changing the trigger on your Dyson SV12 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Always ensure you have the right tools and take your time to avoid mistakes. If you prefer not to tackle this on your own, remember that with our service, there are no calls and no travel involved, just a simple and efficient solution to get your vacuum back to peak performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.